Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to set up the default game opening monitor for Windows in dual monitor setup. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video. So first you have to open the settings and go to the system tab and then display tab, and in display tab you can see there is a option called rearrange your display. So in there you can see all the monitors connected to your Windows PC. So select the monitor you want to make the default game opening monitor, and if you scroll a bit down, you see there is an option called multiple displays, and under that you see option make this my main display. So click that option. So after that, if you open a game, you will see open a game in the monitor you selected previously. So that's it guys. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I will try to help. See you guys in the next video.